Hello, and welcome to another morning edition of Cooking. Once again, I am your friend Mad Wolf. Hello. I'm a little bit tired because I got off work. Yeah, it is 8:23 in the morning. I really need some coffee. Give me a second. It's hot. Well, I guess I should have saw that coming. Anyway, so today, what I'm going to be cooking is French toast. Now, I have a couple things here. This Safeway French toast bread, I never really tried it before. I usually try just regular white bread. You know, sometimes you just gotta make do with what you have, and for the longest time we always just did white bread. But we also got some sugar and some cinnamon here. You can tell it's cinnamon because the vial says cinnamon. Although it could be that Maui red dirt I like so much. We also have some eggs and some measuring things. The reason why the measuring things is kind of important is because, yeah, I don't really remember the right mixture to put in. So what I'm actually probably going to do, I'm looking at it like this. Sugar is sweet. Cinnamon is bitter. You don't want the bitter to overcome the sweet. You actually want them to mix together. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to do 2 eggs, 1 TBS, which I believe is tablespoon of sugar, and then, where is it? Half a teaspoon. There. Maybe even, I don't know, where's the third? Okay, maybe even 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This seems like a good ratio. Now, it could be wrong. I'm guesstimating. You also might be wondering why the sausage is here. Well, Johnny McJohn-Johns, that is because French toast is not really a meal by itself. And I like sausage. Sausage tastes delicious, especially Farmer John Classic sausage. No, they're not paying me for this video. I really wish someone was, though. Support me on Patreon. So anyway, let's get started. So I gotta get a glass and I gotta beat some eggs. Take the egg, beat the egg, or crack the egg. This time no egg shell in there. Take the egg. See, this one you kind of need 2 hands with. Okay. No, I wasn't dumping that crap on the floor. I had a trash can there. What do you think? I'm crazy? Then again, my name is Mad Wolf. I need more coffee. In case you're wondering what that is, it's my giant ass coffee cup. I was born Year of the Dragon, and my mom decided to get me this. I could probably gulp this whole cup down, but it's a little bit hot right now, so I'm not going to. Okay. So now we got our cinnamon, and you know what? I really don't want the flavor of the cinnamon to overpower. Thing is, cooking, I believe I've said this before, it is a science. It is kind of chemistry. Okay, there we go. There's that cinnamon. Dump that. There we go. It is a form of chemistry. You're taking all these ingredients, you're compiling into stuff, and then you come up with new things. Thing is it's not an exact science. For me, I kind of look at cooking kind of like my artwork. 1, you don't have to take it so seriously. 2, don't be afraid to experiment. Now, yes, with cooking, you do kind of want it to be a little bit serious because that stuff is going in your mouth. So, you want to at least make sure you're doing it the right way. But that's that. That said, there's really nothing wrong with playing around and experimenting. You know what? I'm probably just going to do half a tablespoon of sugar because I don't want it to be super sweet. So just dumping that sugar in there. Okay. And that's the nice thing about measuring things. More coffee. Okay. Now, what we do, beating this up, mixing it. You can see the egg mixture here. You know, it's getting a little bit brown. Once again, kind of like artwork. You know, you're mixing the palette up, kind of thing. Okay. But you know, we got that going on. Just kind of made a mess there. So the next thing you're going to need is a big plate. This will be interesting because I got to turn the camera around. Okay. So you see here, we have a big plate. What you do, you don't need a measuring bowl for this or anything, or a mixing bowl. There you go. That is your French toast mixture. Now, what you do, take a piece of bread. It's weird, it smells funny. Once again, I normally buy white bread, but I'm trying this out for experimentation purposes. And that's all you do. You gotta get your hand dirty here. And yes, I know egg isn't the most appealing looking thing to play with. Okay, so things are actually a little bit better set up now. I have the French toast thing there, I got the pan there. That's gonna be for the sausage. So, we take the bread, try not to have it drip all over the place, and voila. And the French toast is cooking, and I have disgusting egg on my hand. Yeah, that's great. That's really great. So let's get a little bit more mixture in there. Sometimes you got to get your hands dirty when cooking. So we got a little bit more egg mixture. I'm just gonna get another piece of bread and just let that kind of get all gunkified. Okay? So yeah, you're basically just letting that side cook, and then you want to get a spatula. Once again, kind of difficult, only one hand here, but you know, you want to be gentle or else the bread can tear, just like when I was doing my omelet video, you know. So okay, come on, get underneath. Once again, this is why I kind of like cooking in the pot, because there we go. Ah, man, did not want that, but oh well. But yeah, so there is a piece of French toast. It is cooking the other side. Just let it cook for, I don't know, I have it on low heats, but this is a gas stove once again. Gas stove cooks a little bit differently than an electric stove. It seems to burn a little bit hotter. But yeah, so, you know, you want the sides to look like this. That actually looks really good. Get some syrup on that sucker, and that's one hell of a breakfast. I am going to get started on cooking the sausage, though. And maybe when we're done, we're going to see how much stuff we have. Okay, so I got my plate here. Plate of sausage and French toast. Preparing myself for the worst. I mean, the sausage is good. I don't make a sausage. I mean, I cook it. But I didn't, like, season it or anything. Yes, I still have my coffee. Okay. So, French toast. Yeah. Yes, and that is Safeway syrup. Yeah, a lot of stuff I buy is at Safeway, so let's see here. I might have burnt my mouth with the sausage. It's actually really not that bad. So that was with guesstimating sugar and cinnamon. Not as flavorful as I was hoping it would be, but no, I think it came out pretty good. All things considering. Got some syrup on there, make it sweeter. I like this bread. It seems to cut really easily. And that is pretty good. Anyway, guys, you know, that's my video about cooking French toast. And, said it before, but I hope you have a good one.